Alright, I'm gonna make a quick short video on how to lube up the shaft and switch out your prop. We'll be switching from a stock prop to a offshore CNC. This is a 1.6 pitch prop. It's a cleaver 3-blade. This claims stock voltage, batteries, cooling should go about 77. Up from the 50-55 of stock, so this should be cool to see what happens. And while we're in here, we're gonna do some marine grease and grease this thing up so we're good to go. So first thing you'll need to do is, this is an 11 millimeter to hold the motor shaft. Sorry, the air show is going on right now. And then this is a 12 millimeter that crimps onto the drive shaft. And these are 2.5 millimeter Allens and 7 millimeter bolts. You can reach them from the back side. They do suggest making marks to make sure you line it back up correctly from what you had, unless you want to change that. So local hobby shop had some dynamite marine grease. You just need a little bit of this. I know this is what you guys all been waiting for. So let's lube this thing up and put it back in. And you only need a little dab of this stuff. It goes a long way. So just put it in a paper towel and then get it on the shaft thoroughly. And then these are just 2 millimeter Allens. Hold the stuffing tube in place. And then we just gotta tighten this back up, which is a 12 mil and 11 mil. And we should be good to go. Then we just gotta change out the prop. So the prop has 2 castle nuts on it, or not castle nuts, but nylon nuts, 8 millimeter. So we'll take that off next. You have to hold it with a 12 mil. All right, so this is a considerable size difference. Like I said, this is a 51 mil, 3-blade, 1.6 pitch. I am not exactly sure. I think it's a 1.7 or 1.8 is stock, 2-blade, and it's definitely not 51 mil. It's smaller. Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe by a few millimeters. So let's see what it looks like on there. That looks gnarly. I mean, the difference is totally insane. It's gonna look so cool. They didn't make them in orange, just red, blue, and silver, so I thought red would be kind of neat. I also got this 5 millimeter Allen cone nut for the back. I don't know if it adds any power or mile an hour, but we're gonna throw it on there. All right, this thing's looking pretty snazzy. Next video, we'll have it running. I'll be making more videos on this boat. Might upgrade the cooling system to dual. So stay tuned and check out the next video for a top speed run. See how this prop does.